Assalamualaikum. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a fish with the basic shapes. Did you see that? We have a triangle and a half circle and a circle. So let's get started. First we trace a triangle. You remember which is our last class? I tell you it's a standing line. Remember? When we draw a standing line to make a triangle, then we create a two diagonal lines. It's called slide line or a diagonal line. You see that? Let's draw dot to dot. Wow, we create a small triangle. Now let's do a big triangle, a big triangle. So we draw a big standing line. You see that? We match all dots. By the way, if you want to practice, want a worksheet like this, dot to dot sheets, so it's all available. You can DM me for sheets, for practice sheets, so I can send you. See, dot to dot standing line and dot to dot diagonal or slide lines. It's called slide line. Let's draw a semicircle. Wow. Draw a one more semicircle to smile a fish. Now draw a circle. For eye, let's draw a semicircle. Ta-da! Wow, do you see that? It looks nice. So, we are living a fish in the water. So, let's make some bubbles. So, we create a bubble with a circles, small circles. So, how to do? Match dot to dot. Wow, see, it's look good, right? So, our fish is ready. Now it's time to coloring. So, think. Which color do you want in a fish? I like fish. Some red or some orange. Let's do some orange. Do you remember our first class? I tell you, do a color with small strokes. Like that. Do you see that? So it's filled the all empty space. Whoa. See, do some small strokes. Whoa, do not do the long strokes. We not fill the color with long strokes. We fill the color with small strokes. Like that. Very good. You done it? See, wow, it's look nice. Let's do color in a big triangle. So in a big triangle, we create some texture. Today we create some texture like some curvy lines. See that? Like that. Right. Wow. See that? So these curvy lines we fill with some different colors like black, and we add some yellow also, right? So do like that. Remember, fill with small strokes, so our colors look nicer. We add some black. Oh, let's do that. Not too much, right? Sorry, it's a indigo color. Here's some black. So we draw a black like a stroke. See? Black just gives off some texture in our fish. Let's add some more yellow. Let's add some black in the fish eye. So the fish looks more pretty. Wow, it's look nicer. We have some bubbles, so let's fill the color in a blue with bubbles because it's a water bubble. Wow, you see that? So we done our fish today, and it's look nicer and prettier. You see that? Wow, it's amazing, amazing. If you want watch more videos, please like, comment and share what you want next, or what you want to learn next with the drawing, which pattern or which shape you want we create with shapes, animal or fruits or flowers, or what you want to recreate with shapes. You can comment and tell us so we can create with shapes that picture. Take care. Bye bye.